Beneath the watchful eyes of the great stupa, a tradition of sacred incense lives on. Made with care, offered with faith, this is the gift of Namdak Dechenling. Crafted with ancient formulas and rare Himalayan herbs, this incense is more than fragrance. It is medicine for the spirit. Used in meditation, healings, and prayer, it aligns with the body, mind, and soul. These sacred words remind us this incense carries blessings from monks of Namdak Dechenling for the benefit of all sentient beings. In a time of noise and rush, let sacred smoke bring you back to stillness. Let this fragrance guide your practice, bless your home, and calm your heart. From the monastery to your altar, this is our offering to you. Namdak Dechenling Incense, a gift of clarity, protection, and inner peace. An agitated mind can be tranquilized and calmed by the rich, authentic, and pure aroma this Namdak Dechenling produces. It is frequently used as a tool for relaxation and meditation, as well as to cleanse the surroundings and to keep you away from negative thoughts. For other or more inquiries, please contact us. Thank you.